Welcome, Art Maniacs. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Phil and Lil DeVille. These babies are kind of creepy. Okay, so we're going to have a baby here and a baby here. All right. So we're going to start by drawing their little peanut head with a little curve. And then it comes back down. Like that. Kind of looks like a number 3. Then we're going to have a little dip like that. And then it's going to come up. And we're going to have a little ear that looks like another number 3. And then we're going to have another line that comes across. And we have some little Phil DeVille hair. So, we've got a little oval eye here, a dot, and we have a little oval eye here with a dot, and we have a little backward C. Then we have his mouth down here that just comes on his chin and comes up, and then it comes up and across. And then there is kind of like a letter C inside there, like that. And then he's got his little creepy Phil teeth there. We have a little tongue. This is the side of the mouth line. And then we fill this in black. And then he's got a little expression line right there. A tiny little neck. I think this kind of comes up more like, yeah, like that. Then we've got a little V, and it comes back down on each side. And we've got a letter U, and then it comes down like so. And then we've got sleeve, it comes out, down, around. All right, then out comes one arm with 2 little lines. And then we're going to be drawing the hand. So we're going to start by coming around. And then we're going to come back and pull up for the thumb. And then draw a U for the thumb. And then it comes up for the pointer finger U. And then these other 3 just kind of come off the palm like that. Then we can draw the palm line. And we're going to draw the rest of the shirt coming kind of down and then across at a curve and then back up, kind of a little S line with a little V on the end of it. Then we're going to draw the other sleeve. So we're going to come down and out, then down. There's another curvy line and another curvy line that matches up with some stripes in it. And then here comes the other arm. There we go. And we're going to do that hand. So we're going to start with the palm. There's the thumb made with a little V that goes into the thumb. And we're going to go around, 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 and there's their hand. Now for the pants, we're going to just pull a line kind of down and across, and back up, go across, and then here is the other pants leg. There we go, and we're going to draw the leg coming out and then finish that little thing behind. Draw an oval for the sock, and then we're going to come down for the shoe and around because we can see the bottom of the shoe. Back up, and then there is Phil's shoe. Now for the other leg, a couple lines down. We're going to draw a line across like a little oval for the sock. And we're going to come down for the back of the shoe, come down at a diagonal, and back around, and then back up again. And there is Phil DeVille. Okay, now for his little sister, Lil DeVille. We're going to again start with like a backwards number 3. Or would that be a forward? I don't know. Then we're going to draw a bow with a line and then 2 diagonal lines on it with a connecting square in the middle. And we're going to draw the hair, which is some ovals. And then this last one kind of goes off into a wild thing at the end. And then here's the other side of her head. Number 3 ear. And we're going to continue that curvy line back around with a little U at the bottom for her chin. And then we've got her mouth that just comes up, across, and then back down again. We have a little M for the tongue, and there's the side of the cheek, and then the black part is behind in the mouth. Then we have a little oval for the eye, another little oval for the eye, and then we have a little C for the nose. And there's Lil's head. Teeny tiny little neck, a V underneath with some lines coming out for her shirt. Then we have kind of a boxy rectangle for her overall. Another little puffy sleeve with a little crazy edge on the end. And then we've got the hand coming out. There's the arm, 2 lines. And then here's the hand with the thumb. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals. And there's the hand. Then we're going to have another fluffy line here. Curved fluffy line here with a little wiggly front on it for the little sleeve. 2 lines coming out. And then we're going to get that other hand, so it's just going to come around. And there's 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3, 4, and then the thumb 5 with a little bend on the end for the palm. Okay, so now we're going to take her overalls down at an angle and then back across. And then we're going to take it down at an angle. And let's see, I forgot to put the little napkin in Phil's pocket with his duck on the other side. There we go. And then we're going to do that to Lil, little zigzag there for the pocket. Just a little curvy line with a little curvy line on top for the bird. And then we got to get her diaper on. So we're going to start by drawing her leg and her sock, which is just kind of an oval. And then we're going to have a curved line for the diaper and another curved line. Well, there's the other part of her leg with another little oval at the bottom for the sock. And then we're going to have another line coming down. And there's the back of her overalls. And then we have another line in the middle for her diaper and the other line of her leg coming up. Okay, so we've got some lines for her little knees. And now we're going to draw the shoes. So they're just going to come down, curve around, and back up with a little line on the front for the tread, the sole of the shoe. And we can put some little shoelace marks on that. And then here we go with the other side, going down and around. little marks on it. Put the tread on there, the sole of the shoe. There we go. And now we have Phil and Lil DeVille. I love it. They look so creepy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.